Good day, educators, and welcome to Research Methods 1. I am Dave Henrich Alasna Amudia, and I will be a lecturer in this video. So we will discuss about review of the literature. I believe that it is safe to say that this concept has been introduced to us as early as we were in our high school days. In some cases, some might have encountered it first during their tertiary level or college, while others may have encountered it after their tertiary or college academic journey. So let's start. So, what is a review of the literature? Well, according to the American Psychological Association, a literature review is an overview of the available research for a specific topic. If we're going to make a research topic, review of the literature serves as a starting point in doing a study or a research. It establishes the point of your study. It also provides the foundation to solidify or to make your study firm, established, and organized. Literature reviews summarize existing research to answer a review question, provide the context for new research, or identify important gaps in the existing body of literature. So let's look for an example here. If your research topic is about the effectiveness of gamification in teaching English, your review of the literature would discuss, let's say first, what other researchers have said about gamification. So in this part, you are going to look for literatures to provide more definitions, more elaborations about the concept of gamification. This will give the readers shared perspective about your research topic, in this case, gamification. So next, previous studies on using gamification in English classes. Now, since our topic is about utilizing the concept of gamification in doing English classes, so you're going to look for literatures, existing researches about the effectivity of involving or utilizing gamification in doing English classes. Next, what is already known and what is still unknown. So, in the concept of gamification, you're going to provide the readers what are the areas that are known in the concept, while also giving your readers what are the areas that are still yet to be explored. So we have an example here. Gamification is using game-based mechanics, aesthetics, and game thinking to engage people, motivate action, promote learning, and solve problems. So this is a literature that is giving a perspective from an established research study that would strengthen your research topic. Now we're going to the significance of review of the literature. First, review of the literature helps avoid duplication of previous studies. It also assists in interpreting and comparing research findings, and it also supports the research problem. In order to discuss the significance of literature, we have a video example here.
This citation is correct. How are you doing?
Pretty good. I'm just looking through the effect of high energy muons on proton pions scattering at the National Accelerator.
Laboratory.
Why did you pull this Russian paper?
It was cited in this paper over here, so I thought we should check it out.
It's not translated. Maybe we should talk to Howard. His Russian's pretty good.
Okay. This paper is called Examinations of a Super Asymmetric Model of the Universe by Dr. Vasily Grigora Polypopovich.
Wait, so Amy and Sheldon weren't the first to think of super asymmetry?
Doesn't look like it. This is from 1978.
Okay, well, they might need to rename their theory the Cooper-Fowler Grigora Polypopovich theory.
Kind of rolls right off your tongue, doesn't it?
Sheldon is not going to be happy about this.
Well, he's going to be less happy about this. The super asymmetric model is inherently flawed and does not bear the weight of further examination.
So this disproves their theory?
Sounds like it.
Okay, so in the example, it was shown there that by doing review of the literature, you could avoid duplication of previous studies. So in the video, it showed that a study that they're trying to pursue has also been studied by some researchers in Russia. It also assists in interpreting and comparing research findings. So in that video, it gave them an interpretation of researchers who studied the concept or the research topics. For summary, a review of the literature is a systematic examination of existing research related to a specific topic. It provides the foundation for a study by identifying what is already known, revealing research gaps in supporting the need and direction of the current research. So here are the reference that I've utilized in order to produce this video lecture. Once again, this is Dave Henrich Amodia leaving you with a saying from Mahatma Gandhi: live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Once again, thank you and praise be Jesus and Mary.